Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson 5. Let's start off by talking about what is due this week. You have the Unit 5 Numbers and Algebra piece in ALEKS that needs to be completed with an 85% or above. This means that 85% of your Unit 5 Pi needs to be mastered by the last day of class. Please check the due dates in the announcements to see when this is. In addition to your work in ALEKS, you have 2 discussion questions to do. Please be sure to check the due dates for this too in the announcements to see when your initial posts and peer responses are due, since this is the last lesson. The directions under the form will tell you what the required amount of peer responses are, so please make sure you look into this before you get started. Let's switch over to the labs to review a few things we have discussed in past videos. When you're ready to get started again, please click on Continue My Path. Let's also review a few things in our menu. Remember, when you have mastered the material of 85%, then you're ready to take your Unit 5 tests. Let's go over how to access the test. You're going to click on your menu. You're going to click on Assignments, and then you're going to click on Unit 5 Tests. Please check your gradebooks in ALEKS, and you can do this by clicking on your menu, and then you're going to click on Gradebook, and you're going to view to make sure all your units, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4 should be here. All of them should say an 85% or higher if you're on track. During your last week in class, please make sure that you check your gradebooks in Moodle to ensure that your grades are accurate. If your grade is below a 70, talk to your instructor to get some suggestions on what you can submit that falls within the late policy and what would be most beneficial to your grade. If you are behind, then more than likely you are going to need to make sure that you put in the time needed to get your work completed by the end date. Make sure that you're clear on when the last day of class is. You can check the due dates and the announcements to see when everything is due by. Keep working hard. You can do this. If you want it, work hard and try your best.